Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video to help you guys fix your problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change the name of your Tinder profile. And there is no possible way for you guys to change your name in Tinder, but there is a way through which you guys can get a new name, but you have to do something, and I'm going to be telling you guys what that thing is. But there is one way through which you guys can do it. All right, follow the step. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, what you want to do is, once you create a Tinder account with a name, you cannot change it. Let me just go to my profile over here, and I go and edit profile. You can see nothing. I can change my photo, but there is no option to change my name, as you guys can see. So whichever name you have chosen when you created your Spotify account, it's done. But the one way to fix it is to delete your Tinder account and to create a new Tinder account. Now, if you have created a Tinder account using a phone number, once you delete a Tinder account, the account under that number is gonna be deleted. So you can again create a Tinder account from the same mobile number. Don't worry about that. The only thing is, all of the chat, all of the people you are chatting, or the profiles you have liked, or the Tinder premium you have bought, they are just going to be deleted as well. But this is the only way. All right, so just go on settings. So once you're in settings, scroll all the way down over here, and you can see delete account. Click on delete account and choose delete my account. And over here you can click on skip at the top over here and choose delete my account. Once you do that, your Tinder account will be deleted. Once it's deleted, create yourself a new Tinder account, and with the new Tinder account, you can choose the new name or whichever name you like. All right, so this is the only way you guys can change your Tinder name at this time. All right, so I'm sorry, but this is the only way. You can also complain to Tinder, but they're not gonna help you solve this issue. They're also gonna say create a new account, otherwise it's not gonna work. All right, so yeah, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.